This is the first lesson of Chapter 4 of my course Build Your Own Online Learning Platform with WordPress. We've already created a course using WooThemes Sensei, installed and set up our membership plugin WP Member from tipsandtrickshq.com, and now we're going to install and set up the payments plugin WP estore, also from tipsandtrickshq. Extract the zip file called WP Cart for Digital Products to the Plugins folder and activate it in the usual way. Our first task is to associate our existing membership levels with eStore products. Let's remind ourselves of the membership levels we've set up. Go to WP Member, Membership Level, and we've got 3 levels. Level 2 is for free content, Level 3 is our monthly subscription to the whole site, and Level 4 is for this course. Now go to WP eStore, add Edit Products. Our paid membership levels start at Level 3 for the monthly subscription. But if we start adding products in the way you'd expect here, just by adding monthly subscription as the first one, that will be given Product ID number 1. Life's complicated enough without having to deal with 2 sets of ID numbers, one for levels and another for products. So I'm going to add dummy products so that the product numbers and the level numbers match each other. Put in dummy product as the name, nothing else, and click Save Product. And that's given ID 1. Click Add New and add another dummy product so as to use up ID 2. And now we're on to our real products, starting with Level 3. Click Add New again and give this one the title Monthly Subscription. For the moment we'll do the minimum on this and we'll come back to it later, after we've done the course product and eStore settings. Click to expand Additional Product Details and go down to the last item in the section, Reference Text. This is the most vital of all the settings, as this associates product and membership level. Click the plus sign to see the membership levels, and we want Level 3 here. Click on Save Product without entering any more details. Now we'll do the course product fully. Click on Add New and put the title of the course as the product name, and 30 as the price, or whatever you want to price your course at. We'll specify the currency later. And under Product Description, enter a description of the course. You can use HTML here if you want, and this will appear next to the Add to Cart buttons. Enter the path to a thumbnail image for the course. I've already prepared this. I keep my images in a folder that I make myself. I call it Images, and I put that inside WP Content, rather than using the WordPress Media option. And I know I've got a thumbnail there entitled onlinelearning.png. So I'll enter the URL by hand here. I'll leave the thumbnail target empty so that clicking on the image doesn't lead anywhere. If you enter an old price, then that will appear struck through alongside the product price, indicating a discount. If you want to have several product images, then enter their URLs here, separated by commas, and they'll be displayed if you enable the lightbox effect under Settings. The product page URL is for a detailed description of the course. It's not the course URL itself. You can add product categories. Open this in a new tab, make the category, we'll call it Online Learning, and save it. Go back to the product, go down to the bottom and save it, and then come back, and the product category will now be listed and you can select it. Leave button image URL and redirect target empty. We don't want to display a quantity because we don't want someone to buy 2 copies of the same course in error, so leave that empty. Down to the all-important reference text, and this is Level 4. Click to expand Digital Content Details. If you're selling a single file, for example an ebook or a zip file, you'd put its URL here, and if you click the downloadable option, it will be served to the customer via an encrypted link. In this case, leave it blank. I'm not selling pay-per-view content, but eStore does offer the possibility for this, and there are instructions on how to do it. Leave variations empty. Shipping and tax is irrelevant for our purposes, so leave this section empty. and also inventory control is irrelevant for digital products. We don't need any serial numbers or license keys. Add-on options here is for stamping PDF files with the customer's name and email address to prevent theft. You need to buy the PDF Stamper plugin from tipsandtrickshq.com to use it. We'll come to affiliate settings later, so leave revenue sharing empty. Skip the autoresponder settings. We don't need any instructions for the buyer. We don't need to put anything in the Buy Now, Subscription or Donation type buttons section. And for the course product, we don't need to do anything in the subscription recurring payment settings because this is a one-off payment. Click Save Product, and we've now set up our product so we can sell the course. Now our two dummy products have served their purpose, so if we want to, we can go to WP eStore, Manage Products, and we can just select those and delete them. Now we have our eStore product set up. In the next lesson, we'll download some free add-ons from tipsandtrickshq.com before going on to create Add to Cart buttons for our front page and a shopping cart.